Hey guys, Paige Chester Bali here, and today we're playing Hunger Games. And I know I haven't uploaded video that much cause wait, please subscribe Verbo Background Gaming. I will sub you. So I have been sick for a while, and I'm sorry that I'm not uploading video that much anymore. It's just people doesn't like my videos at all, I guess. I think we have kid. Really sorry about it. I'm just okay. Someone is killing people. I might kill some too. I just need some better. And again, I'm sorry if I'm not uploading that much, and I'm sorry if I'm using third personal view. It's just how I play. Hunger Games, and this guy is such a douche. He's gonna die about it, and I'm gonna die, but okay, never mind. I'm the one who's gonna die. Okay, never mind. He died. He passed away. No. What's in there? I just wanna say something. That's why I recorded the Hunger Game number 4 or 3, I guess. But I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. And yeah, I'm really sorry about it. So I hope you guys really understand how I do right now. I'm just sick right now. That's why I can't speak that much. I'm just recording this video, and yeah, I'm lagging so much. I think that's all. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Other like Skywars or something